Today, Rochester Regional Health said they're going to be lifting their COVID-19 vaccine mandate for employees. This following the State Department of Health's repeal of the mandate.
It's a move more hospitals are likely to make given the state of the pandemic. Christian Garzone is live outside Rochester General with more on how soon this could impact healthcare workers who were fired for not getting the vaccine. Christian.
Yeah, Rochester Regional wants those workers let go to now reapply. The public health commissioner told us this vaccine mandate wasn't lifted just for the heck of it. Among other things, there's a real need to get workers back in the hospital system. Public Health Commissioner Dr. Michael Mendoza says since the state lifted the vaccine mandate order, hospital systems are now rethinking the way forward, like Rochester Regional Health.
My sense is that everywhere across the state at this point sees the pandemic is largely behind us.
From a healthcare worker's standpoint, he says it's time.
Pull back the requirement, allow people who want to come back to work.
But there's more behind this decision than just getting rid of the vaccine requirement. There's a need under the surface.
Well, certainly we lost some nurses, good nurses, to the requirement. It's unfortunate, but here we are.
He says the pandemic uncovered a lot of healthcare needs that increased demand for inpatient and outpatient services.
So a confluence of factors all came together to create what really is a challenge right now for all of our healthcare system.
Mendoza says emergency rooms and the like have not had a stop in heavy foot traffic.
I think, they're still strained.
With systems like Rochester Regional now only recommending the COVID vaccine, Mendoza said it's a reminder that some folks are still at risk.
If I'm a nursing home employee, I'm really going to want to get that vaccine because I know I work with a higher risk population.
COVID, he says, is here to stay, and people can still get quite sick. However,
dealing with anything of the likes that we saw in 2020 and 21.
And that vaccine mandate lift for Rochester Regional goes into effect on Friday. Live in Rochester, Christian Garzone, News 8. Adam, Teresa, right back to you.